Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those not new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream ombre cake with cascade flowers. If you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. So this beautiful cake was a 7-inch cake, and what I did is my normal. What I mean by that is that I obviously baked it, did my crumb coat, and what crumb coat is you're basically sealing the crumbs to your cake. Super important, do not skip that step. It's a very important step if ever you want everything to be nice and crisp and you don't have crumbs mixed in with your buttercream. So a really thin layer of a buttercream, and then you pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you do a second coat of a buttercream. And what I did is that, because I wanted really that nice smooth effect, is I use acrylic discs. It's super important that if you are using this technique, that you do buttercream, parchment paper, and then your cardboard white facing down or glossy facing down, or acrylic disc. And then you can go ahead and just make sure that you're placing it in the middle of your cake, and then you fill in all the gaps. You scrape it off with your metal scraper, and then you pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the buttercream has set. Do not remove the disc or the plate, or else it's just going to remove the top, and then it's going to be like completely all ruined. So in order to remove this or the disc, I always heat up like a small little knife, and then I go all the way around the bottom of the edge of either the disc or the cake plate, and then I can go ahead and remove that. And also do not forget to remove the parchment paper, also super important. And then you can go ahead and then spread a little bit of buttercream at the top, and then smooth out the sides and the top, and make sure that everything is nice and crisp. So what I did using my spatula, I simply place a little bit of pink and mix in white buttercream only at the top, and then I simply used my scraper and went around it, and then it created like that kind of like ombre effect. Once I had the effect that I wanted, if it's not to your likings, add more pink or more white, depending on what you want to stick more. So there's like not a right or a wrong way for this one. So you just go ahead, place whatever you want of a color wherever you want, randomly around only the top, and then you scrape it off until you like the look. And then I finished the look with edible pearls with Only the Best, Sweet Apolita. So if you guys are interested, I actually have a promo code you guys can use. So you can go on my description box down below, and there's like a link. You can follow the link, and whatever is in the website, you can use my code, which is Liliana Springs 15 for 15% off the entire website. So that's for that. And then I placed some beautiful flowers. Now with flowers, you have to be careful. First of all, you always have to make sure that your cake is food safe. You're protecting your cake. At the end of the day, people are gonna eat this cake, so you just have to make sure that whatever flowers you're using, they're not toxic. I've done many videos on that subject, so you can go ahead and look at that. Maybe I'll even do like one solo video only on that subject, because I'm just floored sometimes by some very renowned bakers that I see that actually do all these magnificent cakes, like especially wedding cakes, but they're actually flowers that they're using that are toxic. So if you like certain flowers like baby wreath or even hydrangeas, you have to be careful, because those two are extremely toxic and poisonous. So, and for some reason, a lot of people still use them. I don't know if they know about it or they don't know about it, but if you like that kind of look of flowers, then it's okay. You can use them, but use them synthetically. So that you're making sure that the cake is safe. Because even if you cover the stem, example, the hydrangea, everything about the hydrangea is toxic, even the leaves, the flower itself. So this is why, just be careful about the flowers that you're using. And if you are using flowers that are food safe, you still have to be careful. So there's numerous techniques that you can do. You can like tape the stem and then use a straw. Also, you can what I do is that I use toothpicks with my flower, and then I also use more protection with buttercream, so like that it's protecting. So there's a lot of different techniques you can go ahead, but what I want you to like keep in mind And if you see my videos and the videos that I use with a lot of flowers, I always say it. So just be careful. At the end of the day, you want a nice look, but you want to be safe, okay? Or make the cake food safe. And then I finished the look with a beautiful cake topper from my Etsy shop, so you can go and look at that also. And I have beautiful, beautiful toppers for any occasion. So that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.